You made the decision to select Rockwell Automation products to improve your operations for a reason. They help keep your operations running, your people safe, and your facility profitable. Now, help protect your investment by registering your products through our easy-to-use web app. Product registration is the best way to verify your products and easily manage all your critical Rockwell Automation products in one secure place. More products are being added to the program all the time. The benefits of product registration are clear. Enjoy an extended warranty in addition to the standard Rockwell Automation warranty, protecting the products that help your facility run longer. Reduce the risks of counterfeit products by confirming that your products match authentic products produced by Rockwell Automation. Access product documentation with ease through a portal containing all your information in one place. And access product lifecycle status information, letting you know which products are coming close to end of life and when it's time for an upgrade. There are 4 easy ways to register your products. Simply scan the QR code on your product packaging. Manually enter the serial and catalog number. Upload your own CSV file. Or use Control Flash Plus to scan your network. Then, log into your Rockwell Automation account to secure your information and assign the products to an end-user location and submit. The platform allows for easy multi-scanning, saving you time when registering multiple products. Learn more about product registration at Rockwell Automation and start registering your products today. Visit rok.auto/product-registration.